Understanding Xfinity's billing policies and payment options can help you avoid unnecessary fees and manage your account more effectively. Xfinity provides a grace period before your service gets interrupted, but it's important to understand that late fees can be applied as soon as you miss a payment. The standard late fee is $10, which is applied immediately when a payment is missed. However, you have options to avoid these fees. Xfinity offers multiple convenient payment methods to help you stay current on your bill. Let's explore the various options available. You can pay online through your Xfinity account or use the mobile app, which even accepts Apple Pay for added convenience. You can even pay your bill using your Xfinity voice remote by simply saying "Pay my bill," making it incredibly convenient. For in-person payments, you can visit Xfinity retail stores, use Western Union Quick Collect, or pay by phone and mail. Important changes took effect on June 26, 2025, regarding automatic payment discounts. The discount for credit and debit cards is no longer available for new customers. However, existing customers who enrolled before this date can keep their $2 monthly discount if they maintain their services and remain eligible. The good news is that customers with Xfinity Internet can still get a $10 monthly discount by setting up automatic payments and paperless billing with a stored bank account. Understanding these payment options and recent changes can help you choose the best approach for managing your Xfinity account and potentially save money on your monthly bill. Xfinity offers several strategies to help manage your monthly bill and maximize savings. The 5-year price guarantee is a key option for new internet customers seeking price stability. This guarantee locks in your internet price for 5 full years, protecting you from annual price increases. While it costs $10 to $30 more monthly initially, it provides significant long-term savings. If you've incurred a late fee, Xfinity offers a one-time credit when you make a payment toward your past due balance and set up automatic payments. This credit applies after your first automatic payment processes. Consider downgrading your internet plan if you're not using the full speed, or explore bundling services for potential discounts. Many customers can reduce their bills by right-sizing their service plans. Xfinity's StreamSaver bundle costs $15 monthly and provides up to 30% savings on Apple TV Plus, Peacock Premium, and Netflix Standard. This can significantly reduce your streaming costs. For extended absences, the seasonal convenience plan allows you to put your Xfinity TV, internet, and voice services on vacation at reduced rates, helping you save money when you're away from home. Keep watching for bundle deals that combine mobile lines with streaming subscriptions. These promotional offers can provide substantial savings when you consolidate multiple services with Xfinity.